there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today I want to share with you a very easy trick on how are we going to convert PDF file into Word file. So I have learned this during our masteral classes. So let's go straight to the video. For example, this is the PDF file that we are going to convert into Word. Actually, I'm gonna be giving you two tricks. Okay, just choose there which one is the easier one for you. The first one, of course, the first step is we are just going to open a blank Word document. All right, and after we open this one, we're just going to drag the PDF file here on the blank document that we want to convert. All right, and as what you may see here, I think it's already converting there. All right, so as what you can see, it's already converted. We can already edit the PDF file that we have dragged down here. It's so easy, right? All right, and another step is we're just going to right click this one, the one that we want to convert, then open with, then select choose another app, and we will be looking for the Microsoft Word if we want to open it using Word. And we're just going to wait for a bit there. So as what you can see there, it's 100% converted. So yes, we can already edit the PDF file. So it may be just very basic for others, but I think some of you who are not yet experiencing to do this one, okay, to convert this by just dragging down or by just making a right click and open with the Word. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something. I just what I told you, this is just very short. Goodbye till our next video.